Hello, this is Angry Kona Guy, and today I'm going to show you how to reset your oil maintenance light, or any maintenance light for that matter. It's actually pretty easy. When it tells you you need maintenance, you have the ability to reset it. Now you can see, I keep this specific page in my middle of my cluster to tell me when I got to do my oil change. I'm about 500 miles over. I just did it. So what I'm going to do for me to reset this, I'm going to go here, because you have this is the page feature, up and down, and OK. So I'm going to hit the OK button to reset it. It says hold OK to reset. That's what I did. I hit the OK button and I reset it. Not hard. Now I'm going to use this button. If I can get this to focus, that one there. I'm going to hit it a couple of times until it brings me to the page that I need. So, tire pressure, but it's obviously not on because I just started the car after an oil change. And then you have this. So you have user settings. And it goes back to where it was. Alright, so user settings. I'm going to use the down button and the up button to get to where I need to go. So the menu actually starts off in driver assistance, or whatever you left it at last. I'm going to hit the down button 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Service interval. Oh my lord, there's a button for this. Then, in order to get into the screen, I'm going to hit the OK button. I hit OK, and it brings me to this. That might help a little bit better. Service interval. So, this is for your maintenance. I have mine enabled. You can actually turn it off by hitting OK, and it turns off. So that'll never show you that you need service. But I like to leave it on. I have mine set for 4,500 miles or 182 days. I'll do 4,500 miles in a month and a half. So I don't have to worry about the 182 days because I'll do it in about 45 days. So I'm going to hit the down button, brings me to adjust interval. I can hit OK. And now I can actually go up or down. Ooh, 94,500 miles or 6 months. That's not right. So I'm going to leave it at 4,500. I'm going to hit the OK button, and it brings it to the next number. So I can go up or down, whichever way you want to go. All right, and then you can hit the OK button. It'll bring you to the next number. Up or down. And then it goes, when you hit enter again, it brings you to month. So I can do 96 months, 99 months, 16 months, whatever. I leave it at 6 months, just in case. And then up or down again if you want to change your months. I just leave it at 6 months. Alright, so I'm going to hit OK again, and it brings me right back to that page where it says service interval. Now if I hit the down arrow one more time, I can reset it. Press OK, reset time and distance, I hit yes, and reset it. It already was on mine, but as we can do, if you hit the down button, it brings you right back to where it says enable service and all that crap. You hit OK on where it says back, the little arrow, and it brings you back to the user settings. That's it. I mean, there's all sorts of other stuff in here. Temperature units, tire pressure units, if you need to change that. There's a whole reset which brings everything back to original settings, which I don't do. Driver assistance, so your rear cross traffic and blind spot collisions on here. So if I turn this off, turn it back on, well, it doesn't matter. I know how to drive without rear cross traffic and blind spot collision, so it's not an issue. Door, auto lock, auto unlock, 2-press unlock. Lights, 1-touch turn signal, which means 1 tap it'll do 3 blinks. Or 5, sorry, it must be the way I have it set. Oh, here we go. 1-touch turn signal, off, 3 flashes, 5 flashes, 7 flashes. And you can change it. Headlight delay, which means when you turn the car off, the lights will still be on for a certain amount of time. Turn it on or off. I think it's like 30 seconds or a minute. Sound. Welcome sound. So when you open up the door, it goes toot 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 toot, or some different years actually have a different sound. Convenience. Wiper lights display, rear wiper display, gear position display, icy road warning. So that all gives me, like if I decide to turn the wipers on, it'll give me high and low that way. It'll actually show it. Or if I decide to do this, or then I can actually adjust it from the wiper. There's all sorts of things you can do on that. And it'll show you. I don't necessarily keep it on, but for another video I'm going to show you how that works. So now I'm going to hit OK to go back. We already talked about service interval and other, and reset. That's it. In order to get out of this screen, you're going to hit that page button again. Come on, focus. And it'll bring it back to your accumulated info where you can go up and down on drive type, fuel economy, all that good stuff. All right. Now you know how to use that function. Goodbye.